Amazon Aurora development team wins award.
Microsoft retires Windows Server 2008 and 2008 R2.
Google set to acquire Elastifile.
Huawei's 5G game streaming. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Liftr Cloud Look Ahead, July 15th, 2019. Welcome to another edition of Liftr Cloud Look Ahead on liftrcloud.com. We're your anchors, Kelsey Prabilski
and Stephanie Ard, here to guide you through some interesting changes in the cloud and what to expect from Cloud Insights. Let's jump on in. The developers of Amazon Aurora have won the 2019 Association for Computing Machinery's Special Interest Group on Management of Data Systems Award, otherwise known as the ACM SIGMOD Systems Award. SIGMOD is a community of software developers, academic and industrial researchers, practitioners, and users specialized in large-scale data management problems and databases.
The award was presented at the annual ACM SIGMOD conference in Amsterdam. The award recognizes an individual or set of individuals for the development of a software or hardware system whose technical contributions have had a significant impact on the theory or practice of large-scale data management systems. It was given to the Aurora team for fundamentally redesigning relational database storage for cloud environments.
While at the conference to accept their award, the Aurora developers shared a presentation about Aurora architectural innovation. AWS has previously spoken at the conference, presenting 2 papers at the conference about Aurora architecture in 2017 and 2018. In his blog post about the award, Werner Vogel, CTO of Amazon, says they are excited to see the broad adoption of Aurora design principles in both the academic and developer community and are honored to receive the award.
Microsoft has announced that they are retiring their Windows Server 2008 and Server 2008 R2 beginning on January 14, 2020. This also means the end of regular security updates and support. Microsoft suggests that users migrate to current versions of Azure at no extra cost to continue receiving greater security and performance.
Though Microsoft recommends that their users upgrade before the January deadline, those that can't meet the deadline have the option to extend security updates at an additional cost to keep server workloads protected until they do. Thomas Kurian, CEO of Google Cloud, announced in a blog post that the company has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Elastifile, a provider of scalable enterprise file storage for the cloud. Kurian says that their teams are excited to unite and integrate Elastifile with Google Cloud's file store.
File storage is a fundamental element of enterprise infrastructure and is a priority for customers looking to accelerate their digital transformation. Elastifile is considered a pioneer in solving challenges associated with file storage for enterprise-grade applications running at scale in the cloud. The company built a unique software-defined approach to managed network-attached storage, NAS, which enables organizations to scale performance or capacity without cumbersome overhead.
Google believes the collaborative efforts will empower businesses to build industry-specific, high-performance applications that need petabyte-scale file storage more quickly and easily. Erwin Maynard, CEO of Elastifile, said, quote, "We are excited to join Google for the next part of our journey, building on the success we've had together over the past 2.5 years. File storage is essential to enterprise cloud adoption, and together with Google, we are well-positioned to serve those needs."
Earlier this year, Google launched Elastifile service on the Google Cloud Platform. Customers that have already started utilizing the offering include Apps Broker, eSilicon, and Forbes. The acquisition is set to be completed later this year.
Game streaming is rising in popularity in China. A couple of days ago, a tweet from a reporter from a Malaysian news network showed him playing a racing game, which he touted was streamed directly from the cloud to a 5G phone and then wirelessly projected onto a screen. This tweet sparked speculation about Huawei and 5G game streaming.
Last month, Huawei Technologies announced that it was teaming up with NetEase, a gaming company, to establish a cloud-based gaming lab running on a 5G network. The company recently revealed that Huawei device users are able to play NetEase's flagship live service game, Justice Online, through the cloud. Huawei says what sets them apart from their competition is their 5G infrastructure, which helps reduce game lagging.
In a statement, the company said, quote, "5G's huge bandwidth and low latency will be the solution to the bottleneck problem for game streaming. In the era of 5G, the internet speeds start at 100 megabytes per second, and the lag will be under 20 milliseconds. Though some gamers are skeptical about the claim, online reviewers suggest that Huawei Cloud PC still suffers occasional lag. Other major corporations are also trying their hands at game streaming. Back in March, Google Stadia was announced, enabling gamers to play the latest games in ultra-high resolution on any Google Chrome or Stadia app-supported device. Last Monday, Dayu International Holdings Limited, a Tencent-backed streaming platform, announced plans to raise up to $994 million in a NASDAQ IPO.
Liftr Cloud Insights is growing and changing, and so are the look-aheads. Check back in next week for all new content and to see what's next for Liftr. That's a wrap on this week's Liftr Cloud Look Ahead. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@liftrcloud.com.